Explain the construction of a purifier. The construction of a marine centrifugal purifier, specifically the Mitsubishi Selfjector, can be divided into four main sections. The frame and drive assembly. It consists of a robust cast iron frame that supports all components. The electric motor drives a horizontal shaft through a friction clutch, which ensures a smooth startup. Power is transmitted to the vertical spindle via a worm gear or belt drive. The spindle is supported by upper and lower bearings with springs to absorb vibrations. The ball assembly. The ball is made of high-tensile stainless steel to withstand high centrifugal forces. Inside, there's a disc stack consisting of 100 to 150 conical discs that increase the separation surface area. The distributor at the center guides the dirty oil. At the bottom is the sliding ball bottom, which moves vertically to open the sludge ports during the discharge cycle. Fluid inlet and outlet system. The inlet pipe delivers dirty oil to the center. A centripetal pump, stationary impeller, is located at the top to discharge the clean oil under pressure. The gravity disc, or dam ring, is fitted at the top of the ball to maintain the oil-water interface. The operating water system. This includes the operating water tank and solenoid valves. It supplies water to the underside of the sliding ball bottom to keep the ball closed during operation, and to the top to initiate opening for sludge discharge.